In this video, we will expand the logarithm log base 2 of square root of a times square root of b times square root of c. To expand this logarithm, we will need two properties, the product property and the power property. In the first property, log base b of the product of x and y equals the sum of log base b of x and log base b of y. In the second property, log base b of x to the power of c equals c times log base b of x. With this property, we move the exponent c in front of the logarithm. In our exercise, we have radicals, and to expand this logarithm, we need to write these radicals in exponential form. As a side note, if we have the square root of a certain number c, then the exponent of c is 1 and the index of this radical is 2. Then the exponential form is c to the power of 1/2. So in the first step, we will take this expression that is inside this radical and we will write it to the power of 1/2. So we will have log base 2 of a times square root of b times square root of c, all to the power of 1/2. In the next step, we will apply the power rule and we will move the exponent 1/2 in front of the logarithm. Then we will have 1/2 times log base 2 of a times square root of b times square root of c. Now, inside the parentheses, we have a product of a and square root of b times square root of c. Then we will use the product rule to expand this product as a sum of two logarithms. So we will have 1/2, and now we will start parentheses because we are going to have a sum, and we will write log base 2 of a plus log base 2 of square root of b times square root of c. In the next step, we will write this radical in exponential form. So we will have 1/2 parentheses log base 2 of a plus log base 2, and now in place of the radical, we will have b square root of c all to the power of 1/2. And now in this logarithm, we will move the exponent 1/2 in front of the logarithm. So now we will have 1/2 parentheses log base 2 of a plus 1/2 log base 2 of b square root of c. And now, because in this logarithm we have a product of b and square root of c, we will expand this logarithm as a sum of two logarithms. I will continue here to the right, and I will have 1/2 parentheses log base 2 of a plus 1/2, start another parenthesis, and have log base 2 of b plus log base 2 of square root of c. In the next step, I will write this expression down, and in place of square root of c, I will write c to the power of 1/2. So here I have it, and this is the only change I made. In the next step, I will move the exponent 1/2 in front of the logarithm. So I will have 1/2 log base 2 of a plus 1/2 log base 2 of b plus 1/2 log base 2 of c. And now let's remove all the parentheses. In the innermost parentheses, we have two terms and each one will be multiplied by 1/2. Then we will have 1/2 parentheses log base 2 of a plus 1/2 log base 2 of b plus 1/4 log base 2 of c. So here 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. And now in this parenthesis we have 3 terms and each one will be multiplied by 1/2. Then we will have 1/2 log base 2 of a plus 1/4 log base 2 of b plus 1/8 log base 2 of c. And now the problem is completed. Thank you for watching.